Okay, hello and welcome everyone to the first of the Freelance Robotics Template Designer tutorials. So, what this is we'll be going over Template Designer and how to create and upload applications to your Sandbot robot. So, we'll start like any other software and do a Hello World application. So the first thing we want to do, of course, we want to open up our Template Designer application. And then the first thing that I'm going to do is hit this new button to create a new application. So you'll see right now it's a null application since we haven't set any of our defaults. And this is our editing screen where we will start adding things once we set our defaults. So we'll come in here. Let's change our name. Hello world. For this purpose I'm going to disable debugging, I won't need that. Our speech, so this is how the robot will talk to us, either through a Google engine or the robot's own engine. We'll stick with default for now. The locale, we've got US or UK, just the accent that it will use. Tone and speed at 1 are default, although these can be modified later on. Okay, let's hit apply. You can see we've now saved our configuration and everything's good to go. Alright, so let's add in our first state. Now this little alert will pop up because this is the 0 state, which means the robot will initialize in this state. As you can see up here, as a triggering event, the robot will init and it cannot be modified. So don't worry about this, just means that your robot will not be able to come back to the state as this is the only time it should initialize. Now, actions. We can still perform actions in this state, so what we're going to do, let's add a view action to start with. They're always a good one to start with. And we'll choose an image. Now, I know this is sideways, but just bear with me. Now we only use PNG files at the moment, so this one I've prepped earlier, hello world PNG. You can see it there. That's the image that will be displayed on the screen. And let's add an action and make it speak. And she might as well say, hello world. Okay. There we go. Simple as that. We click apply. You can see now the state is here. And all our details, so view, our speech, all sitting there. We'll now save our application. Yes. Okay. Alright. Now we're just going to leave it like that for now. Simple, small application. So, if we go over to our robot now, we will want to find our template application. Open that up. Upload. And you can see here the robot now tells you the IP and port you need to set on Template Designer when you want to upload to the robot. So as long as the robot and the tablet are on the same network, this will be good to go. So we press upload. You can see here robot IP, robot port, and that is defined here. So if we put those values in this case, 0.5.107 and click upload. You can see the robot is now connected. And that's it. The upload's done. If we now come back to our robot and close that, you can see that our Hello World, when we focus, camera, there we go. You can see that our Hello World application has been uploaded to the robot. And if we try and run that now. Hello World. Simple as that. Alright. Thank you for watching the first tutorial on Freelance Robotics Template Designer with the Sandbot Elf.